My name is Dina McCord, and I'm principal at Atlanta Elementary School in Atlanta, Texas. Our technology director came to me, and he's always looking for the newest and the greatest stuff for our kids to make sure that they have the best exposure possible to everything. And so he came in and talking about these new panels, TVs, all this kind of thing, and we're like, okay, you know, he's the expert, so whatever he wants, we just say okay. But then when we started getting them and seeing the things that are happening in our classrooms for our students and for our teachers, we were so thankful that he is an out-of-the-box thinker to bring those to our district, especially at the size we are. You know, when you think about a campus, it has 406 kids, and for you to have 23 panels on one campus, that's almost unheard of. And so he did a lot to bring that to us and to help our kids with that.
After demoing, after talking to all our teachers, showing them everything that can be done with a ClearTouch panel, price, software compatibility, ClearTouch has made sense. You know, they work with all of our Macs, our Windows, our Chromebooks. They offer a complete suite of software that comes with the panels. Not only do the panels function well, but that suite of software is important. It was just all those factors weighed in to make the decision to purchase ClearTouch over a competitor.
You know, we've got 35, I think, at the high school, 26 at the middle school, 23 here, and 24 at the primary, and 1 at my office. I've even used it, so, and that's saying something, because I'm from the old school.
The support has been very quick to respond, very quick to help out in any way. It's very effective in helping us out and taking care of the devices.
I think probably the reason we decided to go with ClearTouch was they were affordable for us. They were easy to use, and the training that's been provided for them has just been over the top. There's so much sharing that goes on between our staff, and when one finds out something about it, the other one shares, and so it's a collaborative effort. And I think that it has, as far as the ClearTouch panels on my campus, I think they've changed the entire complexion of our campus and how we deliver instruction to our children.
There's a lot of benefits to it. I mean, you can do the lessons, you can see the kids. You know, I can import things from other places. I just started last week. We watch a podcast every day called 6 Minutes. And there's absolutely nothing, there's no video but a graphic, and you just have to listen, and they are so into that. They love it. So, you know, I get to do that and project it on a big screen.
My favorite feature of the panels is that we can write on it and that it's touchscreen. So it's interactive and the kids are helping me. I'm not doing all of the work, they're part of the learning, and they can touch for the next video or the next slide. They can move the pieces around. They can put together part of whatever we're learning, and they can write on it just as I can.
We got able to get up and use the little pens to use it.
Learning's a little bit different, and I like it because I like learning in different ways.
How do you think your class would be if you didn't have this?
Our teachers would be stressed, and it would be a lot harder to do our work because then they would have to go around the entire class, and they couldn't just sit in one spot and show us. They would have to walk around to individual kids' desks and show them the work.
So you think it makes your classroom a better classroom?
Yeah.
When we were able to get these devices, it was just a brand new day for us here in AISD.